Have you ever cleaned your ear and suddenly started coughing? You're not imagining it. Your ear is literally wired to your throat. Now here's what's happening inside. There's a nerve called the vagus nerve. It's one of the biggest nerves in your body. It controls your throat, your cough, your heart rate, and your stomach. And it has a tiny branch that runs right through your ear canal. That branch is called the Arnold's nerve. So when you touch the inside of your ear with a cotton bud or your finger, your ear sends a signal up that nerve. Your brain gets confused and it thinks there's something stuck in your throat. So it fires the cough reflex. Now if this content blows your mind, following Synva would be a great idea.